Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Notion. Updating your profile picture is a great way to personalize your workspace and make it easier for team members to recognize you in shared projects and comments. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Notion workspace. Once you're in, look to the upper left corner of the window and click on your workspace name or the drop-down arrow next to it. This will reveal a menu with several options for managing your workspace and account settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings from the left side bar. This takes you into the main settings area where you can adjust various aspects of your Notion account. In the settings menu, you'll see different sections, and we're focusing on the account section here. Click on your account name, which appears under the account section. In this example, it's called Tutorial Hubs, but yours will display whatever name you've set for your account. This opens up your account details where you can make changes to your personal information. Now locate your current profile picture. If you haven't set one yet, you'll see a default initial or avatar placeholder instead. This is what you're going to update. Click directly on your profile picture or the avatar placeholder. This action triggers the next step in the process. A file selection window will pop up on your screen. This is where you'll browse through your computer to find the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Navigate through your folders and select the image file that best represents you. Once you've found it, click Open to upload it to Notion. After selecting your image, give Notion a moment to upload and process the new profile picture. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection and the file size. You'll see the new image replace the old one once the upload is complete. To finalize the change, click outside of the profile picture area or simply close the settings window. Notion automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to look for a separate save button. Your new profile picture is now active and will be visible across your entire Notion workspace, including in any shared pages, comments, and collaborative spaces where you interact with team members. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.